What up, YouTube? Let's get it. It is Wednesday. Hope you guys are catching some pips today. It is going to be a crazy hour within the next hour here. So it's almost noon here for me. But, anyways, as I always mentioned before, I'm going to talk about which brokers to choose every single week. So you guys can go take a look at it for yourself. Now, there are, from what I was told, Traders Way doesn't accept U.S.A anymore. I'm gonna have to talk to them about that. And then also, FX Choice doesn't accept U.S. clients anymore. So that's pretty interesting. So if you are from the U.S., I'm gonna have to start looking around and see which brokers you could actually start using, right? And so, I don't for me, I can still go in on all my accounts and I can still trade them. Maybe it's because I signed up with them 4 years ago and I still have an account with them and I'm still trading. That's the only thing I could think of. But like I said, for people that are coming in right now, you can still use LQDFX. I know that you can still use LMFX and you can use EagleFX. I know that for sure because I signed up with EagleFX not even like 6 months ago. Uh, so with Traders Way and FX Choice, yeah, I was told a lot of people were messaging me and saying, "Hey, I'm having issues signing up, with FX Choice and Traders Way from United States." So if you're not from United States, then like I said, you have more options than looking at these five brokers. Obviously, if I was from a different country, I would look at I did like IC markets, but then they were having issues. I was looking at Vantage FX. I wouldn't go back to XM broker. I don't know about them. I feel like they just been scamming a lot of people, to be honest. Um, there's other brokers. Let's see there here. Might have to just start promoting Hugo's Way because I am using Hugo's Way. KOT Forex. Uh, there's Osprey FX, and I'm not familiar with them. I know they're brand new as well. They came in like a year ago. FX Glory, I will not even touch them. They suck. AFX Trading. You know what? Let's do this. Let me do this. Let's do this right now. Might as well just type in the website, right? What did I say before? Hugo's Way. Hugo's Way. So I'm actually using them on Funding Talent. I don't have an issue with them at all. Some people say they have issues with them, but I don't have any issues with them. There's KOT Forex. Um, I heard they're pretty solid. No issues so whatsoever on their servers. Their commissions a little bit higher than Hugo's Way. So with their commissions, they charge 7 times of what the position is, versus Hugo's Way, they charge 5 times the position. So it's like it's a two. It's I don't know if you base on one lot, then it's a $2 difference on commission. Let's talk about AAFX trading. Yep, this one is another broker that accepts US clients as well. Now, I know that it's oh, never mind. Now they're fully licensed. Before they weren't. I'll tell you right now, before they weren't licensed and regulated. So, I don't know if they will. I don't know if they would accept you guys now, to be honest. This is I don't know. Let's go Grand Capital. This was another one. Grand Capital Markets. Oh, maybe not. Maybe they yep. So okay, so obviously they don't I guess they don't run it anymore. There's Capital City Markets. Capital City Markets. Yeah. Where is it at? Is it this one? So it's called City Markets now. It used to be called Capital City Markets. This is another broker that accepts US client. Like I said, I never used them. This is just another broker that was brought upon me while I was looking for different brokers to use at the time. While, before I started looking into LQDFX and LMFX. So what else is there? I know there's more. FX Glory. FX score is a joke. This is just my personal opinion. They offer a 1 to 3,000 leverage. Now, you really have to read the fine print what they're willing to pay you out, especially when you do a withdrawal. So, not something that I would recommend as a beginner, but I never used them. And to be honest, I would never. I mean, this is crazy. Minimum deposit is $1. What broker does that? I've never seen a broker that only accepts $1. Why? You're just basically giving them more money. You get what I'm saying? I don't know why anybody would throw in $1 and expect to make a lot of money. And this minimum spreads is 2. So you don't think so if the minimum spread is 2, that's basically what I want to say. Like it's like 2 pips. So if you base on 2 pips and you trade gold, you're paying, I would say, at least 60 to 80 in spreads. This is yeah, or no, maybe 200 in spreads. The way I'm thinking of it right now. Yeah, 200 in spreads. So it's crazy what they doing to make a lot of money off of people here. Like I said, not a broker that I would recommend. But anyways, let's go back to Funny Talent. So this is where I'm at right now. Currently up $720 right now. Waiting on the big news on the federal interest rate decision. I am expecting the US dollar to go down, but like I said, anything can happen because maybe the Fed might end up doing something that might spark up the buying interest of the US dollar and send Wall Street down. So that could be another thing. But this is where I'm at right now for the account for this month. And I wanted to showcase you guys what happened the last 2 weeks, but I couldn't. So that's what I talked about in my last video. But other than that, that is it, guys. If you still want the Funding Talent Handbook, I don't mind giving it to you guys. It's just easier to Telegram me because I can just send it to you right away because I'm on Telegram. Email, that's fine too. I'm a little bit behind on emails, but other than that, yeah, feel free to reach out. I mean, like I said, I don't mind talking to people. It's just that it's just that people like bombard me so much in questions, and it's like, holy crap! Like, if you take the time to understand where I'm going on my YouTube channel, or if you really need services, you can always go on my website. But if you seriously want to dive down, understand your own way of trading, you have to do it yourself in order to understand your own way of trading and your analysis and your approach and your mindset and your discipline. So, other than that, that's it, guys. Happy Wednesday. I will see you guys tomorrow for Thirsty Thursdays. Peace.